Hello, friends! Welcome back to Atika's Adventures. We are in southern Utah, where we have planned a lot of fun for spring break. We will be exploring the beautiful Zion National Park. The majestic Bryce Canyon National Park. We will head over to Kanab to explore the mesmerizing pink coral sand dunes. And the unbelievably beautiful slot canyons. But first, let me show you our home base for the next few days. We are going to be staying at the East Zion Resort. We booked a tiny house, which was not so tiny. Here is the cozy master bedroom. The spacious bathroom, a washer and dryer which we put to good use, a fully equipped kitchen because we love our home-cooked meals. There is a full sofa bed in the lounge area. Let me show you the loft upstairs. How wonderful! This cozy little house can easily sleep 6 people. Let's head on outside. This grill is going to be used to the max. I am going to show you the roof now. Follow me. Wow, it is so cozy up here. We had almost all our meals up on the roof and we enjoyed every moment of it. The resort has a nice big pool and 2 hot tubs that we used every single day. The nights here are so beautiful. You can literally see all the stars in the sky. It's too bad that my phone couldn't capture all of the glittery stars. Now let's get ready for Zion National Park. We wanted to experience the Narrows hike, for which we rented the necessary equipment through a company called Zion Outfitters located just outside the park's south entrance. This cost us around $50 per person. We took the shuttle bus that cost just $1 per person. Do keep in mind that you must book either weeks ahead or a day before at 5 p.m. when they reopen the booking schedule for a limited time. This scenic bus ride was about 30 minutes from the visitor center to the Temple of Sinewava. The riverside walk from the Temple of Sinewava to the Narrows is around 2 miles round trip. This fairly easy hike is on a paved trail parallel to the Virgin River. Once you get to the Narrows, the real thrill begins. Hey, Ozan, how is your day going?
Good.
Are you hiking today?
Yeah.
Where are you hiking?
In the narrow.
This hike is no walk in the park. The water was freezing cold at around 32 degrees, and we would not have been able to make it if it wasn't for the dry suit, the special shoes, and the socks. It is getting deeper in here and the water is very cold. I'm going to put away my phone now so that I don't get it wet. We made it back to the starting point and we were very tired, but we still had a lot more to explore in the park, so we came back the next day. We hiked the Canyon Overlook Trail, which is around a 1-mile hike that was moderately strenuous. It was totally worth it. How majestic these landforms are. Next, we took the trail to Emerald Pools. This was a 1.5-mile hike that was fairly easy and featured a beautiful waterfall at the end. Now let's go to the beautiful Bryce Canyon. This amazing park is well known for the world's largest collection of distinctive rock formations known as hoodoos. Isn't this just magical? We took the Navajo Loop hike that took us all the way to the bottom of the canyon. This is a 2-mile hike if you decide to do the entire loop. It can be fairly strenuous on the way back up. But the sights are just phenomenal and the hike is totally worth it. The beauty of the rock formations was so magnificent and so captivating. Now it is time for a full-fledged adventure. We are taking an ATV through the coral pink sand dunes of Kanab. We went through a company called Kanab Tours, and this cost us a total of $350 plus tax for a 3-hour tour. Check out the colorful layers in the sandstones. You can see carvings left by the Native Americans on these beautiful mountains. Now let's head on over to the spectacular red sandstone slot canyons that will amaze you. These slot canyons are incredibly mesmerizing. As the sun started to set, the desert looked more beautiful than ever before. On our way back, we went sandboarding on the coral pink sand dunes. There was a strange calmness in the air that was just indescribable. After all the fun, it was time to head back. We drove back to Las Vegas, where we had flown into from Houston. We got there in the evening and made it just in time for the Jabberwockies show at the MGM. Thanks for joining us on our trip to southern Utah. Don't forget to hit subscribe and leave me a comment below. I'll see you next time.